Hey Tech Motors family, this is the 1999 Subura Legacy Lancaster all-wheel drive 4x4. It has the 2.5 liter non-turbo 4-cylinder EJ25 with an automatic transmission. This Legacy has 49,415 original miles. It is a factory right-hand drive vehicle. It does feature 4 doors alongside with 1 rear hatch. We are going to go ahead and take a look at the interior of the vehicle. All right, we're going to go ahead and take a look at the dash of the vehicle. As y'all can see, the lights do come on, so you know we have not punched them out. They also do go away. All right, as y'all can see, this vehicle does come in kilometers, so the number that y'all are looking at down here, 79,529. There we go. That is the kilometers. The miles again is 49,415. All right, we're going to go ahead and take a look at the frame of the vehicle. We'll start on the driver's side. Hey Tech Motors family, thanks for tuning in. If you are looking for the best factory right-hand drive postal vehicles across the USA, you are in the right place. Driving to savings with Tech Motors LLC, your ultimate destination for reliable factory right-hand drive postal vehicles. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications so you never miss out on our latest videos and deals. Let's keep driving together. Also, for more information and pictures, please visit our website at techmotorspostalcars.com. Or you can contact us at 423-716-2161. If you have any questions, we'd love to answer them for you. I did want to tell you guys, thank you so much for the continual support. We really do appreciate each and every one of you guys. It does mean a lot to us. I do pray y'all have a blessed and safe day as well.